isa sa mga ace player ng Celtics, si Mr. Ram Rigondola. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, committee.
Ayun, meron na kaming questions regarding sa game ngayon. Since semifinals na, so nagkakandak tayo ng interview. Number one question, sa akin muna. Ano yung pinaghandaan ng team nyo? Ano na pag-usapan nyo? Kasi medyo mahaba yung preparation nyo kasi wala kayong game last night, di ba? So ano yung napag-usapan nyo para talunin tong Team Black? Ano ba yung gagawin nyo? Like for example, wala yata kayong center ngayon, so ano yung adjustment na gagawin nyo?
Well, we actually not complete today. We have the big man is already not here. So what we will do is just try to make a defense and then don't make them like an easy shot and communication inside the court.
Very well said. Si Leo naman, may question.
Yes, hi. Ito si Ram kilala sa na magaling na point guard sa basketball player sa Dubai. So, ang tanong ko, yung kabilang team kasi, the other team, they have a lot of players that can shoot the 3 points. So, sa tingin mo, anong dapat ang game plan and defense strategy for them to stop the 3-pointers of the Black team?
Well, we need to make them challenge and make sure that they will have an easy shot. And I already informed the team to make sure that always find their opponents, their man, and just contest the challenge. Make sure that they have not get any shot, move, energy. That's what we will do.
Okay, nice answer.
Last question, bago natin pakawalan si Mr. Rigondola.
Okay, Ram. Now we know Ram is the one of the veterans player here in Liwan. Maraming liga na rin na sinasalihan ito at ika nga nila forever yung player na to. At laging kondisyon. So ano yung mga sinabi mo sa team mo na bilang isang veterans players sa team nyo ngayon? Ano yung mga advice na sinabi mo na para mapanalo nyo itong laro na to?
Oh well, not only me, some of them they already suggest like defense and help each other, and especially there's a big man here, Fahad. So make sure that we'll make him a good defense and help each other like a box out. We don't have a big man actually, and then the best one is communicate and teamwork inside. So I told to the team, just enjoy, relax, and focus with the team. And don't get pressure, just enjoy. This is like a friendly game. That's it.
Good to see you.
Ayun, very well said din talaga. Mukhang handa ang both teams natin ngayon. So, good luck sa Team Celtics and Team Mavericks. Semifinals tayo, laglagan. Salamat. Thank you, sir.